How to download the Fetch app and sign up or log into your Fetch account. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can download Fetch app as well as also download and sign in, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to download the Fetch app, all you have to do is simply go ahead and then first of all make sure to open up your app store and then simply search for Fetch Rewards, and this is the application that you want to download, which is the official app. Make sure to tap the get button in order to download it. Once you've downloaded it, in order to move on to the login or maybe the sign up process, open the application here. Once you open the app, now you can choose to sign up with your Apple ID, your Google account, or your Facebook account as well, or you can choose to sign up with email if you think that is convenient for you, or you can also choose to sign in depending upon whatever else you want to prefer. Make sure to tap and continue, and make sure to select the Google account on which you want to allow the access to. Once you've done that, your Fetch account will get successfully created over here, and you'll also be able to sign in if you already do have an account. That's all it takes to go ahead and then basically sign up for Fetch account. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.